There's not too many things in life that I get excited about, but this is one of them. This is the Triton RC car by Laegendary. Now the first thing I want to say about this is more hobby level and not toy level. You're not going to find this at the convenience store. You're not going to find this at your big brand stores, okay? High quality stuff in here. Let's open it up and take a look. There it is. Right there. There's the car. You get a LiPo bag for charging your LiPos in, so if they do happen to catch on fire, it will not catch your house on fire. You have one instruction manual. Let's see what else is in here. And we have this box in there, which I'm pretty sure we can all figure out what this is. And this is the remote control. Then you have an accessory bag, and in this accessory bag are such items as a charger, a battery adapter, an extra pin for the body, and your actual plug for your battery charger. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this out of the box real quick, and then we're going to talk a little bit about this and the features and what separates this from just an everyday RC toy. So let's do that. Well, now that we have this thing out of the box, we might as well take it for a little test spin. What do you say? Let's go check it out.
Hold up, now do what you do. Get loud, go ahead, get loose. Get down to business, tell everyone nothing's off limits. You can have anything you want.
Okay, so I must say, this little thing rips. You can go in reverse, slam into forward, it pulls wheelies. In the grass, you don't even need to reverse to pull a wheelie. Really, really grippy tires. The suspension works well, and not much to complain about. The controller is a little bit light. It feels a little bit on the cheaper side, but it's a radio. It's supposed to be light. As I said, it is four-wheel drive, independent suspensions. It has little CV axles, metal CV axles. I don't know if you can see them on all four corners. You have the shocks, and they're metal, so it is four-wheel coilover shocks, and just not much to say. I mean, it works. It's a nice little truck. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.